back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to resource for elevating every corner of your living space. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your outdoor living space: pergola designs attached to your house. If you've ever dreamed of a seamless transition from your indoor comfort to an inviting outdoor oasis, then you're in the right place. So, what exactly is a pergola design attached to a house? Simply put, it's an open structure, often with a slatted or louvered roof, that is directly connected to your home. Unlike a freestanding pergola, which stands alone in your yard, an attached pergola extends from your house, typically over a patio, deck, or porch. This creates a natural extension of your living space, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor, and offering a wealth of design possibilities. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of having a pergola design attached to your house. First and foremost, they provide much-needed shade. This is especially crucial in warmer climates or during peak sunny hours, making your outdoor areas far more comfortable and usable. Beyond just shade, pergolas offer a significant boost in aesthetic appeal. They add architectural interest, define outdoor rooms, and can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal and overall value. Imagine a beautiful structure that complements your home's style, creating a stunning focal point in your backyard. Functionally, an attached pergola creates a dedicated outdoor living area. It's the perfect spot for dining al fresco, relaxing with a book, or entertaining friends and family. It can shelter outdoor furniture, grills, and even outdoor kitchens, extending your usable living space significantly. Moreover, pergolas can offer a degree of privacy, especially when adorned with climbing plants or curtains, creating a more secluded and intimate atmosphere. Finally, they provide a fantastic opportunity to increase your home's value. A well-designed and executed attached pergola is a desirable feature for potential homebuyers, showcasing a thoughtful and functional outdoor space. Once you have your pergola, the real fun begins. Decorating it to look absolutely beautiful. The key is to treat it as an extension of your home's interior. Start by choosing comfortable and stylish outdoor furniture that complements your overall aesthetic. Think plush cushions, weather-resistant materials, and pieces that invite lounging. Lighting is crucial for ambience, especially in the evenings. String lights, lanterns, and even integrated LED lights within the pergola structure can create a magical glow. For a touch of nature and extra shade, incorporate climbing plants like wisteria, grapevines, or bougainvillea. They'll add greenery, fragrance, and a living canopy. Don't forget outdoor rugs to define the space and add a pop of color and texture. Potted plants and planters can bring in more greenery and flowers, while outdoor curtains or drapes offer adjustable shade, privacy, and a touch of elegance. Finally, add decorative accents like outdoor throw pillows, candles, and unique decor pieces to personalize the space and make it truly your own. When it comes to the best materials for your attached pergola, you have a few excellent options, each with its own advantages. First, wood. This is a classic and popular choice for its natural beauty and versatility. Cedar, redwood, and pressure-treated pine are common. Wood offers a warm, traditional aesthetic and can be stained or painted to match your home. However, it requires more maintenance, such as sealing or staining, to protect it from the elements. Second, aluminum. Lightweight, durable, and low-maintenance, aluminum pergolas are a fantastic modern option. They come in various finishes and can even mimic the look of wood. Aluminum is resistant to rust, rot, and insects, making it a long-lasting choice. Many modern pergolas, especially louvered ones, use aluminum. Third, vinyl or PVC. These materials are incredibly low maintenance, requiring just occasional cleaning. They are resistant to fading, cracking, and insect damage, making them a durable and long-lasting choice. Vinyl pergolas often have a clean, contemporary look. Fourth, steel. For a truly robust and industrial look, steel pergolas offer exceptional strength and durability. They are highly resistant to extreme weather conditions and can be powder-coated for various finishes. Steel is often seen in more contemporary or commercial designs. Alright, now let's get to the good stuff. Here are our top 10 best pergola designs attached to a house to inspire your next outdoor project. One, minimalist charm. Wooden pergola extending over a tiled patio. This design features a sleek and modern wooden pergola with clean lines, extending gracefully from a contemporary white house. The pergola casts defined shadows across the light-colored tiled patio, creating a visually interesting play of light and shade. The simplicity of the structure highlights the natural beauty of the wood, providing an understated yet elegant cover for a comfortable outdoor seating area. The surrounding manicured lawn and sparse landscaping contribute to a minimalist aesthetic, making this a serene and stylish extension of the indoor living space. 2. Mediterranean flair. Wooden pergola with retractable canopy. This elegant outdoor setting features a substantial wooden pergola with a rich, natural finish, extending from a white Mediterranean-style home. A unique retractable white canopy is integrated into the pergola structure, offering flexible shade options, perfect for sunny or overcast days. The spacious patio beneath is adorned with stylish outdoor furniture, including dining and lounge areas. Lush green grass and exotic potted plants frame the scene, enhancing the relaxed and inviting ambience of this sophisticated outdoor living space. 3. Urban chic. Modern pergola with wood accent wall and outdoor dining. This contemporary outdoor space features a sleek, dark gray modern pergola with a louvered roof, extending from a home that incorporates a warm wooden accent wall. The combination of the dark metal and the natural wood creates a sophisticated and urban chic aesthetic. Underneath the pergola, a large, stylish outdoor dining set comfortably seats a group, making it perfect for al fresco meals and entertaining. The paved patio and adjacent manicured lawn complete this functional and visually appealing modern outdoor living area. 4. Rustic elegance. Wood pergola with fireplace and poolside retreat. This image presents a beautifully designed outdoor living area, featuring a robust, rustic wooden pergola extending over a stone-paved patio and a sparkling swimming pool. The pergola's chunky beams and traditional joinery create a charming and established feel. Underneath, a cozy outdoor fireplace and a mounted television transform the space into an entertainment hub, perfect for poolside gatherings. Comfortable lounge chairs and lush potted plants enhance the inviting atmosphere, blending natural elements with functional amenities to create a true backyard oasis. 5. The modern oasis. Expansive deck with louvered pergola and integrated lighting. This stunning image showcases a large, multi-level wooden deck seamlessly integrated with a sophisticated white louvered pergola. The pergola's adjustable slats allow for perfect control of sunlight and shade, while integrated downlighting creates a warm and inviting ambience for evening gatherings. The expansive outdoor space is furnished with comfortable seating areas, including a dining set for al fresco meals and a relaxed lounge area, all overlooking a lush, treed landscape. The clean lines and contemporary design of the pergola perfectly complement the natural surroundings and the home's architecture, making this an ideal space for entertaining or tranquil relaxation. 6. Backyard haven. White modern pergola on a spacious deck with accent wall. This vibrant backyard design features a crisp white modern pergola extending over a spacious multi-level gray deck. The pergola offers a clean, contemporary feel, providing partial shade for a comfortable outdoor seating area complete with stylish furniture and colorful cushions. Behind the seating, a warm wooden accent wall with integrated lighting adds texture and defines the space. Hanging plants and string lights further enhance the inviting atmosphere, creating a perfect blend of modern design and cozy outdoor living. 7. Rustic farmhouse charm. Heavy timber pergola with corrugated roof. This inviting outdoor area showcases a robust, heavy timber pergola with a rustic charm, attached to a traditional brick home. The pergola features an interesting corrugated metal roof, providing solid protection from the elements while adding a unique industrial farmhouse touch. Underneath, a comfortable outdoor dining set is positioned on a paved patio, surrounded by lush greenery and potted herbs. This design offers a strong, durable, and character-filled outdoor space, perfect for enjoying the backyard in comfort. 8. Contemporary comfort. Black modern pergola with fire pit lounge. This striking image showcases a contemporary black aluminum pergola with a solid, sleek roof, providing ample shade and a bold statement over a spacious concrete patio. The dark, minimalist design of the pergola contrasts beautifully with the white exterior of the house, creating a sophisticated and modern outdoor living room. The area is furnished with stylish outdoor sofas arranged around a captivating fire pit, perfect for cool evenings. The surrounding artificial turf and well-placed planters complete the clean and functional aesthetic, making it an ideal space for relaxation and modern entertaining. 9. Classic and inviting. Traditional white pergola overlooking a lush garden. This charming image features a classic white wooden pergola with decorative crossbeams, offering a graceful extension from a light-colored traditional home. Supported by sturdy white columns, the pergola shades a cozy paved patio area. The space is thoughtfully arranged with a round dining table and chairs, along with additional lounge seating, perfect for enjoying the outdoors. Lush landscaping with vibrant flowers and tall ornamental grasses creates a picturesque and private garden setting, enhancing the timeless appeal of this inviting outdoor retreat. 10. Elevated retreat. Multi-tiered wood pergola with landscaped steps. This picturesque image displays a beautifully crafted multi-tiered wooden pergola, gracefully extending from a charming home with blue French doors. The natural wood tones of the pergola complement the house's exterior, creating a harmonious and inviting facade. The structure overlooks a meticulously landscaped garden featuring stone steps leading down to a verdant lawn. The various levels of the pergola provide architectural interest and define spaces, making this an elegant and integrated outdoor living extension. There you have it. 10 incredible pergola designs attached to houses that showcase just how versatile and beautiful these structures can be. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist look or a rustic, charming aesthetic, there's a pergola design out there that will perfectly complement your home and elevate your outdoor living experience. Remember, a pergola isn't just a structure, it's an extension of your home, a place where memories are made, and relaxation is a priority. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're planning to add a pergola to your home, what design elements are you most excited about? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.